Hi there. Myself Papri. I moved to London to pursue my higher study in air transportation and planning management. After completed my MSc, I didn't get a job. Why? Because of same thing as an international student, people are struggling in the UK right now. So, and I was not different from others. So, same thing is happened with me. And 1 year I was unemployed, and all of a sudden, I noticed that in the social media that I can change my profile from my present profile to IT sector, and I found Fortia there. So thing is that then and there I contact with them and explained my situation. They helped me. Uh, they gave me some suggestion, as well as provide some course related information. Those were helpful, and I selected based on my based on my uh, education background and all. uh, Also, I means when I decided that I would be transferring my current profile to IT. That was quite late, because very few months were left to land in a job. But then also I tried. I just tried, and 40 helped me a lot to get a job. In fact, just before 2 days I got a job as a uh, junior IT support engineer in a reputed company. It's quite renounceable company in the UK. So thing is that so my point is here that Fortray is a wonderful organization, and they helped me a lot to get a job. In fact, after my certification, they circulate my CV in the UK job market. I got a few calls from the recruiters, and on daily basis they were keep in touch with me, do the regular follow up. After got my means after got and means interview call, they helped me to prepare my interview. Means they helped for my interview preparation also. They gave some sample questions based on my job description. That was really helpful. And yes, here I am. Right now I have only 6 months in my hand. However, I got a job, but still I am in doubt whether I would get a visa sponsorship from them or not. So yes, they help me a lot, Fortray. And I like to recommend to all these students, international student, who are right now struggling, and if they have time, proper time in their hand, definitely they come to here and take their courses, as well as traineeship. Oh yes, I forgot one thing, that after completed my certification, I started working here as a trainee, and that helped me a lot. In fact, in my CV I updated all my uh, job criteria, and same thing I explained to my employer, and they were impressed. So yes, if someone have a doubt about Fortray, I like to say go for it. You will be fruitful. Thanks. Thanks once again, Portray and the whole team.